Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Decode with Shaker. Today we are going to learn how to insert an image within a cell in Google Sheets. So let's start. So the first way to insert the image is you can go to the insert image and there are two options, insert image in a cell or over the cell. Now if I click on insert image in a cell, then there are multiple options. I'll choose to insert an image by URL. For that, I have already copied a URL. I'll paste it here. I can see the preview and insert the image. Now another option to insert the image is I can go to image again and insert image over cells. Now over here, if I'll again type the URL, so this image is also inserted now. Now you can see the difference that for the image which is inserted within the cell, even if I resize the cell, the image just resizes accordingly. Whereas for the image which is inserted over the cell, if I resize any of the columns, the image just remains over there and the column gets resized. That's one of the main difference between inserting an image within the cell or over the cell. Now another thing to notice is that when I've inserted this image within a cell, there is no formula over here. Now there is another way to insert this image using a formula. What I can do is I'll write image and the URL of that particular image. That's it. So with this formula also you can achieve the same thing. Although the advantage of formula is there are certain options which are applicable with this particular formula. Now there's a mode after the URL which can be used. Now by default this mode is 1. But you can also use mode 2, 3 and 4. Mode 2 means that the image just fills within the cell. Whereas for mode 3, the image is of the original size within the cell. And finally, if I have to use mode 4, there are two other things which I have to specify, which is the height as well as the width. So I can enter the custom height and width with the option 4 over here. So that's how you insert an image within the cell. Now let us take a look at some of the brands for which we want the logo. I've already written the URLs for these brands. All I'll have to do is write the image function, URL. I'll not put any option. So with this, I'm able to get the logos of all the brands that I require. So this can be very helpful when you need to put, let us say, an image of a person next to his name or the company names with a logo like we have just shown. That's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, please do hit the like button and do subscribe to get more interesting updates from Decode with Shaker.